I'll show you how to make thread on Instagram threads. Make sure to watch this video to the very end so you won't make any mistakes. All we need to do, we need to open our app and then go click on the central icon in the bottom menu. So we'll come to this page where we can easily create a thread. So we need to write something. And also we can mention some people, we can add some files if we'll click on this icon to add someone, for example, a video, photo, and so on. Sometimes it could be really helpful. And also we need to manage settings like who can reply to this feature. So in the left bottom corner, just simply click on text anyone can reply, and now we can change, like for example, profiles you follow can reply or mentioned only can reply. Sometimes it could be really helpful. After that, we can just simply click on post in the right bottom corner, and in a few seconds our thread will be automatically posted to basically like news feed to homepage, and now we can find it right up here. Also, we can find all the threads of us in the our account. So click on account icon in the right bottom corner. So here you can find all the threads. We can click on more in the right top of every single thread. We can delete, hide like count, or manage who can reply. I'm going to delete this post, for example. The same way, if you'll click on it, we can find all the comments, all the additional threads, and so on. So this is a way of how to make a thread on Threads by Instagram. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye, guys.